Justin Pinyon. Are you guys having fun?
Yes! First name R.
First name R? Meron ba first name R dito?
Yes.
Yes, dami.
Yes. Parang alam ko na kung sino yan, ha?
Lahat ng mga R dito say yes?
Yes!
Alright, somewhere here. Tama ba ako, ma'am? Please think of this person's name. Alright, Ross!
Galing, galing, ha?
Ross, okay, Ross, si Ross.
Yes,
okay,
yes, yes.
Ross. Ay, ito, kilala ko to si Ross.
Ako ba talaga yan?
Okay. Tama ba si Ross ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ross! Siyempre, kilala natin si Ross. Isa sa mga magagaling na vloggers dito sa Pilipinas.
Wow, thank you.
Siya ang pambansang vlogger.
Oh.
Yes. So Ross, I want you to think of your desire. Okay, if you're thinking of your desire, just say yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I can sense that yung pagka-yes mo mahaba and malawak. So parang malawak tong desire mo, yes?
Yes.
Malawak. You wanna see more things, yes?
Correct.
You wanna see more things. You wanna see more people. You wanna hear more people. This is something that you wanna do in the future. Not really in the future, but you are preparing for this right now.
Yes.
Yes. Am I right in saying that your desire is you wanted to travel and see more countries?
Oh.
Yes.
Ang galing, ha? Galing!
Ikaw yung mga tao na mahilig ka sa details, okay? Mahilig ka sa details. Minsan ko na may nakita kang phone sa harapan mo, gusto malaman kung paano siya ginawa. Maybe this has something to do with your work. Magaling ka ba mag-draw? Yes. Yes, are you an architect? Yes. Yes. Ito isa sa mga paborito ko itong tanongin. Kasi nanonood ba kayo ng TV show na Lucifer? Yeah. Yes, lagi na tinatanong nyo ba, what is your desire? Now Roy, don't tell me, but when I ask you this question, I want you to answer in your head. What is your desire? Alright, interesting. Nung tinanong mo yun na what is your desire, parang naka-imagine ka ng isang babaeng kumakanta, right? In front of the stage. Does that make sense? Yes. Yes, doing your job. I'm not sure if I'm spot on with this one, Roy, but your desire is you want to be a designing diva. Correct. Yes! Are you thinking of your desire?
Yes.
I am thinking, I am feeling, yung pagka-yes mo merong rhythm. So maybe, this is not just a hobby. This isn't a hobby, but maybe may rhythm. Mahilig ka sa rhythm, yes?
Yes.
Mahilig ka sa sounds. Do you love music?
Yes.
Yes, you love music. Maybe your desire must have something to do with music, but
So
not really
remarkable.
music,
Paano
but
nagagawa
you also want to be known. You want to have a lifetime maybe of tours and shows. Yes, thank you very much. Yung pag-sabi mo ng yes, parang may tono yung pagka-yes mo, yes. So, madalas ka ba mag-video, okay? Yes? Madalas ka ba mag-video, okay?
Yes.
Yes? Do you love to sing?
Yes.
Yes, yung pag-sabi mo ng yes, immediately, I want you to think of your desire. What is your desire? Interesting. Simple lang yung gusto mo. Leonard, tama ba?
Yes.
Simple lang yung gusto mo. You just want to have a happy life.
Yes.
Thank you very much, people of Vietnam. Pag ginanong ko, say yes?
Yes.
Yes. Dito, lalaki. Vic?
Yep.
Yes, Vic. Okay, Vic. Vic, I'm not sure kung ano yung desire mo, but please think of your desire. Think of your desire and say yes if you're thinking of it.
Yes.
Yes! Okay, good. You are a type of person na ayaw mo nag-iisa ka. Gusto mo may kasama ka palagi. Am I right? Gusto mo may kasama ka palagi dahil madali ka mabore. Gusto mong nagpapasaya ng ibang tao kahit ano man yan. Okay, kunyari nakikita mong malungkot siya, gusto mo pasayahin siya. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes, because you have a great sense of humor. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh.
Vic, saan ba si Vic? Baka mahulog ako. Vic, can you come closer, please? Are you here, Vic?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, can I hold your hand, please? Please give me your hand, okay?
I wanna hold you.
You exercise a lot, yes? You're not going to the gym? Yes. Yes? Vic, please put my hand over your shoulder.
Hindi ko yan.
Vic, can you please think of your desire, Vic?
Yep.
Yes, good. One of your desires, you are preparing for something. I'm not sure kung nag-prepare ka na ngayon, pero isa to sa nung nakikita mo. You see yourself like some sort of a finish line. Am I correct?
Yes.
Some sort of finish line for something. Actually, pwede mo siyang magawa because I think you wanted to complete a marathon.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Kung sabi mo ng opo, mahilig kang sumigaw. Malakas ang boses mo, mahilig ka mag-cheer, you love sports, yes? You love sports, you love watching, gusto mo yung mga naglalaban na tao, yes? You love watching boxing, you love watching wrestling. Yes! Ito lang yung desire mo. You wanna, parang gusto mong makita ka ng tao as you are. You want them to appreciate you, am I right? You want them to appreciate you as you are? Because sometimes you feel that you're not approachable. Parang ganon. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Alright. I'm not sure kung ano yung desire mo, pero this is not your desire. Pero may dumadaloy sa isip mo na hobby. Parang hobby. Hobby. Parang hobby siya na gusto mong maging professional. Parang ganon. Yes? Mahilig ka ba sa karaoke? Yes? You see yourself, I'm not sure if I'm right, but you see yourself as a frustrated singer. Yes? Now,
Next year.
I wanted to think of your desire. Okay, think of your desire. Alright, medyo malalim yung desire mo, Sir May. Medyo malalim, pero gusto mo ito mangyari talaga. Yes, this is something to do with relaxation, am I right? Yes, relaxation, nakikita mo malawak din. You see water, yes? Yes, relax water. Do you want to live in a beach with your friends for around 10 to 15 days? Yes, thank you!
Whoa! Oh, paano kaya yun?
Magaling ka rin mag-drawing, Reg. Yes? Yes, magaling ka you're into designs, am I correct? Yes. You are preparing for something. You are preparing for a test. You are preparing for a test. You want to pass something, yes? Yes. And feeling ko, you love toys, Nora? Yes, does that make sense? Toys? Parang Pangko. May gusto sa Pangko? Yes. So, I'm not sure kung magagawa ko ito, pero in the future, gusto mo ba maging interior designer? Ipag-sabi mo lang, yes. Do you love playing video games? Yes. You love playing video games. And what is your desire? Think of your desire, Jonathan. Alright, Jonathan, parang malaki yung desire mo. Malaki. It seems impossible, pero gusto mo maging possible talaga. Kasi feeling ko desire ko din yun. Kasi I can see numbers, right? Yes, do you want to win the lottery? Thank you very much! Please, and I want you to draw anything. Okay, draw anything nice and big. Make it simple like a house. Or as people of course, draw something else. Nice and big, there should be a shark in there. Draw it now. And just say yes. Chest mo. Okay, can you down and just say yes? Yes, good. Ito sobrang hirap na gawin kasi 10 years ko ito pinag-aralan kasi 10 long years. But this is the hardest part, yung pagtagal ng duct tape sa mukha. Alam mo na kung bakit ako kalbo? Saka kung bakit wala namang kilay. Thank you very much. Did you guys enjoy that? Alright. Ngayon, medyo nag-guilty naman ako kasi tinututubusan na kita. Kumuha ng mga papel, kumuha ng mga items, pero hindi ko ko naman masyadong nabasa yung mind mo, except yung sa kanina, right? Lahat nakuha ng yung paper. Now, I'm going to try to figure out whatever you do there. And in order for me to do that, I have to be kind of your death, okay? Joy. So you are the type of person na... Kanya lang may makwento lang sa'yo yung head mo na something na natatouch ka kagad. Yes? Kasi you also love touching other people's lives. Isa yun sa mga goal mo. You want to teach, you want to speak with people. You want to be on top of the stage, talking to people, touching their lives. And are you on the same, parang trabaho mo sila? Parang same industry? Yes? Yes. So, alam ko na kagad na baka... Think of whatever wala pa mo. Nakita ang lines, lots of lines. Hindi ako magaling mag-drawing pero hindi ako magaling kasi tayo kasi galing nila mag-drawing. Pero close naman siguro matutuwa tayo. Siguro ako may idea. And yung sophistication ng drawing. Now when it comes to this, sabay natin ipapakita sa kanila ako ng drawing. 1, 2, 3.